Thank you for tuning in and watching me transform my van from a builder's van to a camper van, kind of, maybe not, just a bed really with a cooker in it. Sorry for the bad editing, this is the second video I've ever edited. The video is a bit itty and bitty, my camera kept on dying. I remember filming this on a Saturday, and no word of a lie, every 15 minutes it would be raining, hailstone, sleet, snow, you name it, we got it. I honestly hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, let's go! This is it. So obviously ignore the mess because I still haven't finished cleaning, but that's the drive-in, so you're fair enough away. You've got a little bit of space here. I've got all of my storage under there. That'll be full, completely full with bags and whatever else. Now I made the wood out of literally scrap wood that I could find. As you can see, it's all different types, but the bed's definitely sturdy enough, as I'll show you in a minute. During the day I'm gonna have to try and flip the bed so that I've got space, or put the mattress somewhere else so I've got a little bit more space. If I was to do this again, I'd probably get a thinner mattress that I can fold in half. I suppose I could do this with this one and tape it. But yeah, as you can see, we've got MDF, we've got 4x1. There's, you know, there's every bit of wood used for the slats, but this is what it is really. And let me take you around the other side. Again, my van's very dirty. We've got the fireplace. Don't get me wrong, I'm going to do a kit video so you can see all the kit that I've got and what I bring and what you should bring if you're going to do this kind of thing. But again, I won't really know until I'm out on the road and I've tried it for myself. But yeah, that's the cooker, dual cooker, the grill underneath. Got the kettle over it. And I'll have some frying pans and bits and bobs underneath the cooker. We've got all the cutlery in there. Not the most hygienic thing, but don't worry, I'll be washing everything. The carpet, I used scrap carpet. Just need another hoover. Again, I'll have to just take my shoes off before I go inside here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I've got a little washing line. No, that's just to dry things out. Yeah. It better not damage my car.
Why would it damage your car?
It has.
Oh, right. Did that...
This weather is ridiculous. I can't keep on doing this. I'm wasting so much time. I could have had this done by now. I am so annoyed. You don't even understand. this is corrugated cardboard. It will stop me from smashing my head and it hurting, especially with a bubble wrap. But also it's going to act as like a thermal insulator. Which, to be honest, should do the trick. I'm not spending a fortune on insulation and other bits of it. And as you'll probably get to know, I'm a bodge man anyway, when it comes to my own stuff. Anyone else's work. But yeah. Apparently not very well, what the hell? Look, I need to keep this up. How am I going to do that, eh?
Sellotape it.
Huh?
Do that and then sellotape it. If you can in there.
So what?
To this.
How's it going to keep it up?
I think you need a way to keep it up.
Huh?
Like a weight like this.
People are going to think I've been kicked out tonight or something and I'm sleeping in my van. This is where I'm going to be tonight and for about 4 weeks. So I better be half comfortable. I'll tell you what. I'm going to sleep very well. I will be starting my trip on the 18th of March. And I will be going away for 3 to 4 weeks, travelling the whole nation. We're going to start by going up to Norfolk to see the animal rescue. So yeah, come with me on my journey and let's do this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and subscribe. There's been so much energy and effort put into doing all of this, this fundraising, and don't forget that we're doing this for a wicked animal rescue. It's local to us, it's deep in our hearts, and we want to raise as much money as we can. All the links will be in the description, my socials, the GoFundMe, their website, so you can go check them out. Any questions, whatever, feel free to comment. So comment, like, share, subscribe, done. Whoop, boom.